There is a broad selection of video doorbell products available, each offering distinct features, advantages, and pricing. To assist you in making a well-informed choice, I conducted thorough research, analyzed numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the most reliable and effective options from reputable brands. These products have proven to be highly beneficial for individuals seeking quality and performance. For detailed information, including pricing, please refer to the description. Without further delay, let us proceed to the video. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. 1080p HD wired video doorbell with two-way talk, advanced motion detection, standard 2.4 GHz connectivity, and customizable privacy settings. Get real-time notifications sent straight to your phone. To hear audio notifications in your home, pair with a Ring Chime or a compatible Alexa device, or select the Video Doorbell Wired Plus Chime bundle. Note: the doorbell will not sound your existing chime. Advanced motion detection helps you know when someone's at your front door before they ring your doorbell. Night vision with sharp contrast ensures you'll never miss a detail, even in the dark. Save your recorded videos for up to 180 days to rewatch anytime. Get alerts for people and packages, and so much more with a Ring Home subscription, sold separately. Average rating: 4.4 out of 5 stars, 76,537 global ratings. Price range $49.99 to $249.99. Number 2. Google Nest Doorbell Battery. The Nest Doorbell has built-in intelligence and can tell the difference between a person, package, animal, and vehicle and send you an alert in the Google Home app. No subscription is required. Easily check in from anywhere 24/7 with live HD video with HDR and night vision. See what you missed with 3 hours of free event video history, or add a Nest Aware subscription, sold separately, for up to 60 days of event video history. If your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, the Nest Doorbell will store up to 1 hour of recorded events so you can see what you missed. The Nest Doorbell is easy to install, wired or wire-free. The built-in battery means it works with any door, or connect it to your existing doorbell wires with the included wire connector. Talk and listen to visitors at your door. Even if you're away, use the Google Home app to say you'll be right there, ask a delivery person to leave your package, or respond to visitors with pre-recorded messages. Average rating: 4.3 out of 5 stars, 6,854 global ratings. Price range $90.99 to $179.99. Number 3. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire Free. Simple to set up, easy to recharge. Charge your wireless video doorbell quickly and easily for a long-lasting charge. Coverage for every corner, fast, wire-free setup, no wiring required. Delivers increased installation flexibility to get the perfect view from your doorbell camera. See more at your front door. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with a 180-degree wide field view with your wireless doorbell with a camera. Get a clearer picture, detailed video in HD with HDR from the wireless security camera system ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. Never miss a moment. See what triggered emotion before anyone tries to ring the doorbell. With Arlo Foresight, the security camera captures video before every motion-triggered video recording, so you don't miss out. Respond quickly. Receive a video call from your wireless doorbell camera to your phone to hear and speak to visitors at your doorbell with clear, two-way audio, or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. Reliable security, no matter the weather. The weather-resistant outdoor security camera is built and certified to withstand heat, cold, rain, or sun. Average rating: 4.0 out of 5 stars, 20,025 global ratings. Price $49.99 to $199.99. Number 4. Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K, battery-powered. Great clarity for optimal surveillance. Experience unparalleled clarity with our Eufy doorbell, furnished with a 2K sensor and a professional-grade lens. It offers 2.5 times the clarity, transforming your doorstep into a secure portal with a crystal-clear view of your visitors. Versatile power solutions. The Eufy doorbell camera is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Choose between a one-time charge that lasts up to 6 months or a continuous wired connection, ensuring seamless security at your doorstep. Comprehensive security with full view. With a 4:3 aspect ratio, the Eufy doorbell provides a complete view of your visitors from head to toe. It's akin to having a vigilant security guard, ideal for monitoring entrances and detecting motion. Seamless integration with Homebase 2. This Eufy security wireless add-on video doorbell requires a Homebase 2, not included. It's engineered to work in sync with other Eufy cameras, forming a robust home security network. Hassle-free setup. Installation of the Eufy doorbell is as straightforward as ringing one. With easy-to-follow instructions, you can quickly set it up and start enjoying superior home security. It's compatible with Homebase 1, 2, 3, or E, offering you the convenience you need. Average rating. 4.4 out of 5 stars, 5,880 global ratings. Price range $79.99 to $236.99. Number 5. TP-Link Tapo Smart Video Doorbell Camera. TP-Link Tapo Smart Video Doorbell Camera also has a built-in 10,000 mAh battery for 24/7 continuous recording for comprehensive monitoring, allowing for flexible installation wherever needed for up to 8 months of battery life between charges. Easily identify faces even when zoomed in, showing you everything you need to see outside your door. 180 degrees head-to-toe field of view. The ideal front door camera ensures you capture every detail from top to bottom, providing complete coverage. Receive a phone call to answer your door without opening up the Tapo app. Quickly answer visitors with one-click convenience. This smart doorbell is equipped with advanced AI technology that detects any person, package, or vehicle approaching your property. It sends real-time notifications directly to your device, indicating person/vehicle/package detection, with the ability to select one, all, or no detection notifications. Save recorded footage on a microSD card up to 512 gigabytes, full-color night vision with Spotlight, two-way audio, and quick response prompts. Average rating. 4.5 out of 5 stars, 2,288 global ratings. Price range $79.97 to $194.96. Best. Which of these products is the best? Number 1 is the best because this product is 100% made of advanced materials and has a global rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, 76,537 global ratings. People have given this many. Opinions on Amazon. Price range $49.99 to $249.99. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 ranks best due to its advanced 3D motion detection, bird's eye view, and Alexa compatibility. It offers superior video quality, customizable alerts, and precise motion tracking, making it the top smart doorbell pick. That concludes my overview. I regularly create informative and helpful videos, so please consider subscribing to my channel. If you require more information or wish to check the product prices, be sure to explore the description below. Should you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Stay connected with us for updates on innovative products that are designed to make your life significantly easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.